Hi lovelies, today I want to share with you how I do chicken mendi or mendi chicken. Okay, wow, let's go. I saute my onions in a saucepan, as you can see lovelies. Then I add Arabic ghee or semi-Arabic. Then I put garlic, ginger paste. Then I add the Indian herb warag hindi. You can call it warag hindi or the Indian herb. Okay, then I continue to saute. Okay, then I add the chicken. It's already washed very well. Then I add my spices. Then I add cardamom, cloves, bay leaf, cinnamon sticks, star anise, black peppercorns, whatever you have. I cover the chicken and let it get ready. Then after it's ready, I scoop it out of the stock because I need the stock. I have to strain it because I have to add the rice into the chicken stock. I get a little bit of the stock and add food color and brush the chicken with the food color, as you can see lovelies. Then I put my chicken into the oven, strain the water and add the rice and add ghee after the rice is ready and food color, as you can see lovelies. I smoke my rice, as you see.